about to pull my damn groin.
Just send it.
I already sent it earlier at Jack in the Box. Frig, I sent the shit out of it.
What?
At Jack in the Box?
Oh.
I didn't want to sit on the seat. I had to freaking stand up on it. I was like, ah! All right.
Jack.
Hey, Jack got my order wrong, so Jack is whack. Right there.
You first.
What the freak? How come I'm always first? Once in my life, I'd like to be second.
I'll go first.
I'm first in life all the time. All I do is win. All I do is win. It's ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna.
Everybody can do it better than you.
Everybody can do it better. They just don't want to. I don't know why. That looks bad. That already looks bad. Oh man, this ain't good. Shit. Look at those Mamba lights just fucking gripping though. Easy. Let me turn my locking differential on real quick.
Hey! Get the outlaws.
Oh, my locking diff don't work. Looks like those outlaws are struggling a little bit. Okay, okay. Lift it up. Get off in and give it gas and lift up on that backside. You gotta lift up. What's the matter? Hey, wait!
Alright.
Let me pull you? Don't get me wet! Get off! Don't give it too much gas, just a little bit. It's like walking a dog. There you go. Oh, yes, oh. There it goes. There it goes. Whew. I thought y'all were gonna do that one for sure. God dang, good job. Oh, God dang it. He got me. He got me. All right. Let's see where else we can get stuck at. Damn it! Motherfucker! Too easy.
See, I learned a lot from watching that channel.
You're almost pro. You're almost on my level now.
Congrats on 20,000.
Shit. Can't believe it. That's crazy. There you go. Okay. Hey, I don't mean this in a gay way, but can you scratch my back right here in this area real hard? Because I think there's some ants or something in there. A little higher around my shoulder blade.
Right there?
Yeah, to the right a little bit. Yeah. All right, thank you. There you go. Famous razor. And we got Wade on his little Renegade. Whoa. Looking good.
Wade. Run away.
You going first? Oh, damn. It was worth a shot. It was worth a shot. Come on, you bastard. This way. This way. Ah, it's a little bit of hill. Hold on, hold on. on, hold on.
Got it?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. All right. Good, you're good. If you want, you. Good job, good job. Lean forward, lean forward. There you go, good job. There it is. Too easy. There you go, Herc. Good boy. You good? I'm a little muddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Woo!
You have your car that takes us in some back shit.
Well, I'm not used to all the technical shit. That's what the
yeah?
back today.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I'll get out like I just did.
Where'd my bike go?
I took it off.
Oh gosh, dang! I gotta walk all the way up there now. God, you're good. You're just teasing me now? God, oh my God! I'm all the way up here. I think I lost 30 pounds just walking up here. God bless.
What?
Chris moved me like a mile up here.
That's alright.
Okay. Tired. I haven't got a clue where we're at. Not one single clue. I was not recording that entire time. You idiots.
Good.
All right, let me start this back again. What happened over here, Dakota?
Nothing.
Why is the Wolverine just sitting here?
Cause y'all broke me.
We broke you. How come every time we ride together you break?
This is the first time I've ever ridden with you and that break.
Oh, last time you broke.
I'm not broke, I'm just stuck.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What does that temperature light mean?
I don't know what you're talking about. There's no temperature light on this.
He's overheating right now. I said he's overheating right now.
Yeah? I need to pee on the radiator?
What's that? Yeah, pee on it.
Yeah.
Is there a spider?
No.
Did you see the nice angle I took to come down? I decided to go the hard way.
Yeah, I know. I was like, what the hell is waiting?
Hey, you know, if you can't
Yeah.
make your own path, might as well just stay home.
Yeah, it's true. True enough.
I'm perfect width though. Just damn.
Then I thought I'd mount you coming up the hill. I was like, I don't know if you saw me. I was
No, I
like,
couldn't see. I was just trying to get you on film. That thing cuts through that
oh yeah.
nasty shit like it's nothing. Not even there.
Sometimes you have to be careful with it. We'll try to
Snap axis or just or grip.
get away from you too.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you probably just let it roll down the hill.
What happened? TigerTail! She's good.
You're supposed to pull your mom out. What happened?
Gosh, dang. Okay, someone told me you got to walk on your heels of your feet. Oh, is that yours?
That's hers.
Oh, gosh, dang.
Well, we got more. They're cheap.
Shit.
They're Walmart brand.
There you go. What's up? Oh, no, they stink.
Now they're dead. Broke the deals.
Oh shoot! I got some zip ties. Just go slow, buddy, because I don't want to pull that tree down on you.
Yeah.
There it is. Can you keep on going? Or you want to catch up with the winch?
I didn't want to
okay,
run
stop.
cable.
Yeah, go and catch up with your winch. Alright.
I'm moving right now.
Don't run over me.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, come on. Alright, let me take this off.
That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to get up on it. Hey, be careful. Is it better that side?
Well, you gotta be careful with your axles.
Here.
Which side would be better? Try to get up on.
Just right on this. Yeah, just right here. Once you get over here, you can go up. See where it kind of goes.
Do it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get up right here. I don't know if I'll be able to. But
We'll just try. We'll give it the old college try. Oh shit! Yeah, I did too. Look at that. Oh, he's good. Don't fall into that big hole now.
well, my back tires are still in.
Well, I mean, that's probably better than the way you were going, so.
I'm pushing on the back. You're good. Just straddle. You're good. You're starting to make up.
There you go. Now, when you get in there, you got to give it the beans, buddy.
Where's the big ass hole?
Hey, let us get ahead of you so we can reach you up. You gotta go down like this. Just start going bigger.
Oh shit! Yeah. So.
I can try to stand right door?
I don't know. It just, I know on the left side is real nasty. Let me see. I went down anywhere, all over here. It's all bad. It's all bad.
Oh, no bueno.
See, right here is a little, oh, nope. Oh, this is not too bad. Until it gets right here.
Let's rewipe that stuff.
Yeah. But there's a hard bottom though. Kind of.
How far left can I go?
Hey.
Don't go left. Go stay.
Get your tire on this.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me get out of here.
Run over your wife's
Oh,
stuff.
yeah, we'll use your wife's shoes as a grip. There we go.
Stay tight to this again.
Yeah.
The dog.
Go, 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 go. Woo! There you go, Dakota. You act like you know what you're doing with that thing, man.
I try.
There we go.
What is it? I just got a quick follow weight. That's right. Don't follow me anymore. What's up, Swampy?
Teamwork makes the dream work, buddy. We got it. I'm glad y'all helped us out. Appreciate it.
Hey, you didn't ask. Y'all were sitting over talking.
What's up?
Talking. Going to the river or what?
I'm trying to find, I don't even know where the fuck we're at right now.
Oh, great.
As soon as it,
I'm gonna fall asleep on the ride like my dad did.
as soon as we turned off the creek, I was like, I don't know where the fuck
I
we're
got
at.
less than a quarter of a tank, so.
Why did you fill
I'm
up?
joking. I got more than 3/4.
You're staying out here.
You're never gonna have to leave your shit here, boy.
Gosh dang.
I couldn't find it in the morning. Oh, wait, who's stuck?
Nobody. He's just straightening he's redoing his winch. Woo!
Wait, I'll give you 12 for that thing right now.
12.
Hell no.
12 what?
Wait, I'll give you
12,000.
20,000 cash for it when we get back.
Wade. Wade, I'll give you 50 cents.
Sold.
I'll give you a high five.
$2.50 in a jawbreaker.
I want to pick it up bacon and smoking a pancake.
Hey. 25 and a quarter.
This thing is nice though. So